Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, why do my Cash App invitations keep on expiring? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've started to invite people to use Cash App and you're looking for that $5 bonus. Why do your invitations keep expiring? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the reason why this occurs is because when you invite someone to Cash App and you're looking to make that referral bonus, they do need to send at least $5 to someone in order for you to receive that invitation bonus. So for example, as you can see here, I have some invitation bonuses that have expired. And the reason why is because those people have not actually used Cash App. And so with that, the invitation bonus is going to expire if people do not actually go ahead and send money via Cash App. So I hope that makes sense, guys, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.